Hello viewers, welcome to this channel. My name is Nkalu Obdala, a vet by profession, but also passionately practicing crop farming. You have to bear with me, I beg. My voice is a bit not good because I have some flu. But today, this morning, it is around 7 a.m. I came to the farm where I put my passion fruit garden. It is on my grandmother's land, and my grandmother has coffee. But since I put my beehive, which is close to my passion fruit orchard, I found a lot of bees on Jaja's coffee, on my grandmother's coffee. Throwing one stone to hit 3 birds. I think you can see, and you can hear the noise. Bees are actively collecting nectar. For them, they think they are collecting nectar, but they are pollinating flowers. Look at this one. They are pollinating. For them, they are looking for nectar. This is so amazing. They pollinate my passion fruits. That is one bird. They pollinate Jaja's coffee, my grandmother's coffee. That is the second bird. And they are collecting nectar, making honey for me. Look. I think you can see. Bees are everywhere. They are everywhere. This is so amazing. Wow. I mean, guys, this is so amazing. Bees actively doing it for me. And I'm expectant. I'm expecting a lot of honey. You see, the other garden you see in the background is my passion fruit garden. I can take you a little bit and see. This is the passion fruit garden. I think you can see it. You can see the passion fruit. Those, what you see there, my grandmother's bananas. Now, my bees are around here. That is the beehive. I think you can see it. Should I zoom in? Should I zoom? And you see this morning, they are very, very, very active. They are very active. They are collecting honey from the passion fruits and from the coffee plants, as I showed you. So this is so amazing for me. That is why I tell you that agriculture is so very good, very good. very good. I think this is a very good place for my bees because we have a lot of flowers. A lot of flowers around us. Oh, my God. Can you hear the noise? Can you hear the noise? And I must be careful. I must be careful not to be stung by bees. Wow. Look here. See here. But do you hear the noise? They're in there. So my dear friends, I think you should try also this. At least get a beehive and put it out, such that you don't miss this opportunity. They are helping you, I mean, to fertilize your flowers such that you get a lot of production, and at last you harvest and you get honey, because here for them their intention is not to fertilize or to pollinate the flowers. No, they come purposely to get the nectar, and they are attracted by the scent. They are attracted by the scent. They're attracted by the scent of the flower, so they come and get the nectar out of this flower, you see. And at last, I am the beneficiary because I collect the honey. So my viewers, that is what I had for today. May God bless you. But before my video ends, I beg you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. May God bless you. Bye bye.